Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Andre Jones, a popular stunt rider from the Windsor Castle area in Portland, Jamaica, has committed his last stunt, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning in to the Rasta Man Shock ensue, ladies and gentlemen, as popular stunt rider Big Red from Portland is now dead. It appears that Big Red has stunted his last stunt, a pal of the community. He's known all over social media for his motorcycle stunts. And as it hits social media, ladies and gentlemen, they found out that the popular stunt rider, Andre Jones, also known as Big Red, from the Windsor Castle area in Portland, Jamaica, has succumbed to his injuries from a motorcycle crash in Orange Bay Main Road in Portland on Thursday night, ladies and gentlemen. The deceased is Andre Jones, identified popularly known as Big Red of Windsor Castle in Portland. Jones was well known throughout the parish for his stunt riding skills and his motorcycle techniques. Police report are sometimes after 6 p.m. on Thursday. Jones was riding his motorcycle on the road when he lost control of the bike and collided with a Honda CRV motorcar. Jones reportedly fell off the cycle and sustained multiple injuries. He was pronounced dead at the hospital. The driver of the Honda CRV did not sustain any serious injuries from the crash. Many persons expressed shock at the passing of the man they had known by his moniker, Big Red. Big Red is now dead. Come back, me G, Andre Jones. How we are gonna feel? We can't feel good no more. How we are gonna feel if you know say you know they are fi reason with we again? Right, a female Instagrammer. Look how cool how we did a reason yesterday, Wednesday. Brother, yesterday we did a talk. We did run some joke. Sight, she said. Share another female on Instagram, you know. Boy, Big Red, Andre Jones, me one cause how you gone leave me so? She cried. Miss, you already. It's like a dream, said one male social media user. Me G gone left way. Big Red, condolences and rest in peace. I just joke you give star. Shake my head. Commented another condolences to the family. Bro, never expect this one. Cause you are really out. Sleep in peace. Now, ladies and gentlemen, vehicle accident has taken over 400 lives in Jamaica right now. And is rivaled by only by homicide by murder. And we have to take our time. Because enough of we know a Big Red. And Big Red know if we wrangle the yang. Know if we handle the big bite them. A straight stunt man this. You are guarantee. So when them style the whole accident as him lose control of the bike, you know what it go on. You probably see a nice girl in the CRV and a rev it up. And end up mash up. The man never ride too hard, brother. Me no ride no bike with me not even like to ride no bike with no person. Cause me no believe in it I rub up on no next person like that. So me try if he driving at the taxi. Cause the taxi man supposed to can drive and me no think he want mash up him car. Cause when me see them ya boy up on the janker, I fly for real. When me see them youth up on the yang yang, Them wicked and skilly bang. When me see them pan the high power motor them, why? Me have to say, why sometimes I see them in the city and the way them a whip it and whap it. And then when the tailpipe turn up, why your ears drum them get burned up. My condolences to Big Red family. Yes, to the Jones family and all his friends and families from social media. All of his relatives them. All of his friends, all of we are gonna miss him. But me want uno feel learn. When you chat about it's like a dream and no dream. Every day me afraid to go up on the road. The way me see them people here drive, why them a drive like them want to reach on the other side. If you know what I mean. Look, life is the greatest, you know. And the longest part of life is death. I man don't want to reach there yet. So when me a touchy road, why me touchy road with an experienced driver? Me no in a getting pan on two wheel with some big 4-wheel can lick me off and run me over. When me a try prove, say me ready if he die. Well, me a no biggie small. Condolences to Big Red. Andre Jones, boy, them say you're dead. Are you go wheelie? Are you go do stunt? So right now, you'll get lick off like a punk. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Hit that red subscribe button. Yeah, if you have not subscribed as yet, become a part of the Rastaman panel. Help me build up the Rastaman channel. I'm more life, I'm more joy, and you know, of course, I'm more nuttiness.
So from the next with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And then some black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari Soldier, real fire king. Yeah, balalang man,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the year every time.
No, beat down my fist. Big up Rastafari Soldier, you're watching Deep Roots TV. Boom bang bang. Boom bang bang. Mad. Mad love, respect, brethren. I mean, man, I love fun people.